Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 30. قُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ يَغُضُّوا مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِمْ وَيَحْفَظُوا فُرُوجَهُمْ. Say to the believing man that he should lower his gaze and guard his modesty. Whenever any man looks at any woman, if any blazing thought, if any unashamed thought comes to his mind, he should lower his gaze and guard his modesty. Next verse, Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 31. Allah says, قُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنَاتِ يَغْضُضْنَ مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِنَّ وَيَحْفَظْنَ فُرُوجَهُنَّ. Say to the believing woman that she should lower her gaze and guard her modesty, and display not her beauty except what is ordinary of, and tell her to draw her veil over her bosoms, and display not her beauty except in front of their husbands, their fathers, their sons. And there's a big list of mahrams, of close relatives who she cannot marry. In Islam, there are basically 6 criteria for hijab that are mentioned in the glorious Quran and the authentic hadith. The first is the extent for the man and for the woman. For the man, it is from the navel till the knee. And for the woman, it is the complete body should be covered. The only parts that can be seen are the face and the hands up to the wrist. The remaining 5 criteria are same for the man and for the woman. Second, the clothes they wear, it should be loose. It should not be tight-fitting. It should not reveal the figure. Third, it should not be translucent or transparent. Fourth, that it should not be so glamorous that it attracts the opposite sex. Fifth, it should not be that of the opposite sex. And the 6th is that it should not resemble that of the unbelievers. So these are basically 6 criteria for hijab that are mentioned in the glorious Quran and the authentic hadith. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Ahzab, chapter number 33, verse number 59. Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu, qul li azwajika wa banatika wa nisa'il mu'minin. O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters that when they go abroad to put on their cloak, so that it will prevent them from being molested. I would like to give you an example. If there are twin sisters who are walking down the streets of Maldives, and if there's a hooligan who's waiting for a catch, and one is dressed in the hijab, that is the complete body is covered, and the other is dressed in the mini skirts or shorts, and they're equally beautiful. And if there's a hooligan who's waiting for a catch, who's waiting to tease a girl, I'm asking the question that which girl will he tease? Will he tease the girl in the mini skirts or shorts, or will he tease the girl in the Islamic hijab? But natural, he will tease the girl in the mini skirts or shorts. If you invite, so he'll receive. And after that, if any man rapes any woman, capital penalty, death penalty. Someone might say death penalty in this 21st century. Islam is a barbaric religion. Islam is a ruthless religion. America, happening to be one of the most advanced countries in the world, it has one of the highest rate of rape. According to the FBI report, in the year 1990 alone, 1756 rapes took place every day. And according to US Department of Justice, in the year 1996 alone, 2,713 women are being raped every day. 1990, 1756. 1996, 2,713. Maybe the Americans, they got bolder in the span of 6 years. I am asking the question that if you implement the Islamic Sharia in USA, that every woman, she should wear the hijab, that is the complete body should be covered. The only parts that can be seen are the face and the hands up to the wrist. And after that, if any man rapes any woman, capital penalty, death penalty. I am asking the question that will the rate of rape in America, will it increase? Will it remain the same, or will it decrease? But naturally it will decrease. You implement the Sharia and you get results. Therefore, the least rate of rape in any country in the world, it's in Saudi Arabia. You implement the Sharia and you get results.